Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bank of England's concerns about UK growth will soon be realised, as the upcoming UK GDP report is expected to show no growth for the 3 months through May. The June US inflation rate report will give the ammunition the Federal Reserve needs to justify another rate hike later this month. The Financial Stability Board, which includes central bankers and treasury officials from G20 countries, is working on bringing global cryptocurrency regulations to the industry by October. Such regulations have become a necessity due to the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency market, which led to the loss of billions of dollars. Global equities faltered, oil fell, and the euro inched closer to parity with the safe haven dollar as the prospect of further tightening by central banks, renewed COVID outbreaks in China, and Europe's energy shortages spooked investors. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 6.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar dropped 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The US Consumer Price Index core will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.